Okay, let's do a seed unboxing here at Whirlwind Family Farm. Every year we get our seeds in, and you would never think that this box is over $200 worth of seeds. This is one of our orders. We'll have multiple different orders during the year. You can see this is from Johnny Seeds. They are certainly not a sponsor. This is one of the seed companies we use. Doesn't mean it's the only seed company we use. This box, which is our first one, just happens to be. So let's take a quick look. Let's just use my little handy dandy garden knife and we'll start to unbox here. Take a quick look and see. My wife each year does our inventory, and then we'll take a look and see what seeds we have. I can keep this in frame for you here so you can see it. So as we open up, of course, we have our invoice of everything we ordered to get started for this year. You can see all these different seeds that we have. And of course, we'll keep that for our tax purposes. So let's take a quick look as we go in. And again, you would never realize that this is over $200 worth of seeds. But we start off, and this is spinach. This is actually one of our spinach, Savoy spinach, and that is, I believe, around yeah, I think that's around 10,000 seeds. So that'll get us through the spring this year. And then as we open up, let's look at one of the other larger ones here. And bush beans. So bush beans are one of those that are real popular with our customers and has been very popular over the years. So there's our bush beans. And again, that I believe that also is about 10,000. So we'll put that aside. And then we start going through some of the others. And again, as you open this up, you would never think this is over $200, but it absolutely is. These are shallot onions. We've got okra. We have cantaloupe as we go through here. Zucchini. This is more zucchini squash. These are Vista tomatoes. These are bell peppers as we go through. Romaine lettuce. Hot bell peppers. No, these are just our hot peppers. Sorry about that. So those are the Pantera. And these are cucumbers. So make sure I had that right there. These are another of our cherry tomatoes, cantaloupe, more cucumbers. These are F1 Mokum carrots. Do a really good job. Have been very impressed with those. And then last are radishes. So this is our first round of ordering. These are the basics, things that we'll start to plant right now. And as we go through the season, again, others will have to be ordered. And we don't just use these guys. There's other companies we use it as well. They just happen to be the company that we usually start off with. So we'll put the link in the description. So if you want to go and visit them as well, you certainly can. So remember, this season, we're going to take you through each of our steps. This unboxing of our seeds is the first step as we get these in here. We're actually about a week or so late with our seed ordering, but as I always say, we go by the budget, we go by the season, and so now is the time. We've got these in. We'll start planting here, a lot of these in the seed trays, and about within 7 to 10 days, some of these will start to be the early starts in seed trays, and then we'll move forward. So thanks for checking us out at Whirlwind Family Farm. Blessings over you, your family, your garden. And in 2025, we got a couple of videos we'd love for you to check out. One over here that'll be the most recent, and one that's recommended by YouTube. Talk to you soon from Whirlwind Family Farm.